So now, here we have a 1000 ohm resistor protecting a green LED from 12 volts. So that gives us about 9 milliamps of current. And now we have two series green LEDs protected by a 680 ohm resistor with 12 volts there. Again, we still have about 9 milliamps of current. And finally, with three series green LEDs, yes, they're very bright at 9 milliamps of current and 12 volts, a 330 ohm resistor will set that current to 9 milliamps right there. So as you got more LEDs in series, they drop more voltage, and thus you need less resistance to get the same amount of current. So now if you have a green LED and you want to put 9 milliamps of current through it when you have a 12 volt supply, then you want a 1000 ohm resistor right there. It'll have 9 volts across it, and thus you'll get about 9 milliamps of current through the circuit. So now if you want to light two series green LEDs at about 9 milliamps of current when you have a 12 volt supply, that'll leave about 6 volts across the resistor. So 680 ohms should give you about 9 milliamps of current. There's the math right there. And finally, if you have three green series LEDs, they're going to drop about 9 volts total. So if you want 9 milliamps of current, you have a 12 volt supply that puts 3 volts across the resistor. About a 330 ohm resistor will give you about 9 milliamps of current.